about 9:30 in the morning. Hello, Stroina. 2 cats were here and they haven't even half eaten it. 2 cats. That's because they're eating proper cat food, which is also the proper human diet. Real meat, and they are as relaxed. They are the Zen cats. Look at that, sitting down. Muching wise. Muching wise, Tony. Muching wise. So the moral of the story is, tell them, Streunerlein, tell them. The moral of the story is, feed your cats proper food. And while you're at it, feed yourself proper food. If you want some of that zenness, zenosity, then eat proper cat food. Isn't that true? Yes, it is. Have a beautiful day, everybody. Slangafar.